Don't buy a house unless it solves some pain points in your life. Hear me out. There are several reasons kung bakit gusto mong bumili ng bahay, tama? And I think sa nakikita ko, based on my experience for selling projects like this one, Bella Vista, located in Barangay San Vicente, Santa Maria, Bulacan, for the past 4 years, guys, okay? And I've answered thousands of inquiries and closed hundreds of deals for this project. Ang number one na nakikita kong reason kung bakit dito nag-i-invest yung mga buyers, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting idea about sa demographics. So, 70% of my clients are OFW or Filipinos based abroad. Okay? And they're looking for their first home or retirement home. Yun yung reason kung bakit sila nag-a-avail ng mga pre-selling projects, specifically Bella Vista. So, what is the kind of pain points, di ba? As in, pain points sa kanilang buhay na tinatry nilang isolve kung bakit sila nag-a-avail ng bahay. It's possible na ito pa lang kasi yung unang property or bahay na kanilang nabili from their hard-earned money. Okay? And in that case, they're possibly still living with relatives or parents or still renting. So, yun yung pain points. Gusto nilang ma-resolve yung issue na hindi na sila makikitira o hindi na sila mangungupahan. Tama ba, guys? And what else? Secondly, meron namang mga client na meron na silang property na una nilang nabili, for example, condo. And meron silang mga realizations. For example, ang mga condominiums talaga, exaggerated or matataas talaga yung kanilang juice, condo juice na tinatawag. Compare sa isang subdivision na meron ding juice or tinatawag nating HOA, Home Ownership Association juice, na di hamak na mas affordable o mas mababa kumpara sa pagbabayad ng condo. And also in condominium, yung pinaka floor area or unit lang, yung pag-aari mo, di ba, meron kang condominium certificate of title, but for a house and lot, you would really have the actual title, right? Certificate of title. Hindi lang siya basta condominium certificate. Titulo talaga siya na hindi lang para sa bahay or sa real property na nakatayo sa lupa, kundi yung mismong land kasama. Kaya nga siya tinatawag na house and lot investment, tama? So, kasi pag condo, mas limited yung pagkilos mo at yung mga bagay na pwede mong gawin. Unlike na house and lot talaga, na in the future, pwede ka pang magkaroon ng mga expansion na mga bagay na hindi naman natin nagagawa typically sa mga condominium property. Tama po ba? So, yun yung reason kung bakit they go for a house and lot instead of a condominium. Alright? And what else? Ano pa yung mga pain points ng mga buyers ko dito kung bakit pinipili nila ang Bella Vista project? I would say also is to improve the general well-being of their life and yung kanilang mga future plans. For example, ito yung mag-partner pa lang na nagpaplano sa buhay o kaya kung may anak na isa pa lang pero their family is growing. So, kailangan nila ng mas malaking lugar, okay? And the good thing about Bella Vista, with the minimum lot of 80 square meter, katulad na nakikita nyo dito, malaki talaga siya, di ba guys? Maluwag yung garden mo dito sa harap, sa gilid, meron kang up to 2 car garage, meron ka pang garden sa likod at service area. And at the same time, sa loob ng bahay, ay meron tayong 3 bedroom sa taas at meron tayong 2 toilet and shower. Ito yung ating Bitina model na mayroon ding storage dito. Yan. So, when you buy a house, you don't just purchase or avail a property just because you feel like it, diba? It's because it's solving your problem. O yung mga pain points nga na sinasabi ko, diba? And here, sa likod, pwede ka pang mag-extend. Ito nga yung mga naghahanap na gusto magkaroon ng kwarto sa baba. Oops, malakas po yung hangin dito guys. Pwede ka pa rito mag-extend ng isang kwarto. Kung halimbawa, isa lang yung sasakyan mo. So, yung parking mo dyan sa harap dito, and then yung kalahati, pwede mong gawing malaking kwarto para sa senior, or elderly, or kung may PWD ka na family member, pwedeng-pwede yun guys, okay? Wow, napakahangin po talaga. And, complete finish turnover pa siya, high ceiling pa siya. So, on top of the unit features and the location of the project na walang history of flood, malapit sa NLEX, malapit sa lahat ng kailangan mong paaralan, schools and malls and hospitals, the reason why people buy a house is to solve their pain points, okay? Ito yung ating first toilet and shower. And let's go to the second floor of our Bettina model, guys. Ganito na rin yung turnover niya. So, personally, I'm a realtor, but I'm also an investor. Ang kinuha ko din dito, guys, sa Bella Vista ay yung itong model na pinapakita ko ngayon, si Bettina model. If you ask me why, is because I like the layout. And at the same time, this balcony, kahit maliit siya sa turnover, expandable siya. In fact, marami ng mga nakatira dito na homeowners sa phase 1 na nagpa-expand na sila. Itong balcony na to, pwede mo yan ipaslab, diretso, yun na rin yung magiging bubong ng iyong garahe. At meron kang malaking balcony, di ba? Marami kang pwedeng gawin doon. Paglagay ka ng inflatable pool, ng mga plants, ng table and chair, while having coffee and then having a beautiful view. Diba guys? So, maganda po dito sa Bella Vista. Naka-partition na yung 3 bedrooms. So, this is our bedroom 1. Pwede ang single at double bed at double deck. Bedroom 2 na pwede rin ang single bed. Ito kasi, meron pa tayong space to put big closet. Our toilet and shower number 2 is on this side na may kasama na ring fixtures. And our master's bedroom, Bettina model. So, pwede dito ang double bed, guys. Sa ating Bettina model, may space ka pa for a big closet. Maluwag rin yung ating hallway dito, guys. Ayan siya. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Ayan. So, itong hallway natin dito, pwede ka ditong maglagay ng chandelier or drop lights. Okay? So, ito yung view niya, guys, from the second floor going to the first floor. The joy of home ownership is incomparable. Lalo na kung first home buyer ka, talagang magiging proud ka sa naipundar mo. And the good thing about real property, katulad ng house and lot, is whatever happens, meron kang maipapamana sa anak mo or mga magiging apo mo pa. 'Di ba? For as long as hindi mo naman ibebenta tong bahay. Syempre, 'di ba? Ganun 'yun. And the value will just continue to appreciate. So, this is our Bettina model, guys. I gave you a complete house tour and at the same time, I shared with you yung perspective ng aking mga existing clients and buyers here in Bella Vista. The reason why they purchased their home here in this location, in this area. Alright, guys? So, there you have it. I will give you our updated sample computation for December. We are 99% sold, pre-selling, Bella Vista with 24 months down payment. Kung gusto nyo rin guys ng 48 months, no problem. I will share with you yung mas pre-selling pa na up to 48 months yung sample computation. But first, showing on the screen yung sample computation ng pre-selling with 24 months DP. Ayan po siya guys. Bettina model, okay? And if you ask me naman, kung bakit siya affordable sa down payment, syempre 10% lang kasi. If you want na mas maliit yung loan mo sa bank, then lakihan mo yung down payment mo. Nasa sayo yan, guys. So, you can actually plan about it. Kasi nga, 24 months down payment, 0% interest. Pwede ka pang mag-cash out para maliit na lang ilo-loan mo kay bank. Kung magpapag-ibig ka, guys, you have to pay higher down payment, 20 to 40%. Ganun po yun. Okay? Diba? Ang lakas ng hangin kung saan pumubukas yung pinto. Alright. And then guys, kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali, okay ka sa up to 48 months pre-selling. Showing on the screen yung sample computation pag 48 months down payment ang i-avail mo. Pag kinontak nyo ako guys, mention nyo lang Bettina 24 months DP or Bettina 48 months DP para alam ko kung ano yung computation na ibibigay ko sa inyo na sample. Kasi doon lang naman yung nagkakatalo. Pag sinabi nyo na bakit parehong 80 square meter but mas mahal si 48 months, dahil po yan sa location sa mapa. Nasa gitna na po kasi or mas malapit na sa entrance yung pinakabagong pre-selling natin. Pero pareho po sila ng bahay, pareho sila ng sukat ng lote, pareho sila lahat. Location lang po talaga sa mapa. At saka yun nga, dahil 48 months na walang interest yan, mas mahaba yung terms. Kaya syempre, iba din yung price niya. Kasi nga, mas mahaba yung time mo na wala kang binabayarang interest, mas stretch mo pa yung payment mo, baka mas mapalit mo pa yung ilo-loan mo, okay? So now, bago ka mag-avail, siguraduhin mo ano ba talaga. Baka kasi mag-avail ka ng 48 months pero gusto mo nang lumipat next year, 2026 within 1 year. Walang ganun guys, okay? So dapat ang ina-avail nyo yung at least may community na or soon to be RFO na or yung pwede na talagang tayuan. Kapag sobrang pre-selling pa lang at talagang after 2 years pa yung isa at after 4 years pa yung isa, ganun talaga maghihintay tayo kahit na i-cash nyo pa yung down payment, okay? So you have to know and you have to be sure kung kailan nyo ba gustong lumipat para hindi po nasasayang yung time, money, and effort nyo, okay? Kung pre-selling ang hanap, perfect sa'yo ang Bella Vista. Yun lang ang masasabi ko, guys, dahil sa ating promo terms like that. So there you have it, guys. I hope I was able to share some good insights with you. We only have a couple of days before Christmas, guys. Advance Merry Christmas. And hope to see you all soon since we don't allow any walk-ins here. Medyo meron tayong konting announcement about sa viewing or tripping here kasi kailangan po ini-inform na yung guard dahil nga may community. It's a bit strict na rin. May community na. So, dapat po 1 to 2 days before kino-contact nyo ako. Kahit existing client na kita, gusto mo lang makapag-tripping uli or mag-view ng model unit, kailangan po dito may schedule. So, let me know, chat mo lang ako sa aking Viber WhatsApp number, sabihin mo yung date kung kailan ka pupunta, yung name mo, yan. And pwede ko po yung i-schedule at pwede kong i-inform si Dolmar about it. Kung ikaw naman ay new client, gusto mong mag-tripping, bawal kang pag-walk-in dito, hindi ka papasukin, sayang lang yung oras mo. Kailangan mo akong kontakin kapag ka may confirmed tripping para mabigyan ko po ng heads up si Dolmar dahil pinapaalam po nila yan sa mga guards pag may mga tripping schedule, okay? Ganun po siya, guys. I hope we are clear. Viber WhatsApp number, just mention Bella Vista or Bettina kung 24 months or 48 months. Okay, guys? And of course, if you are using Messenger, that's my Messenger, guys. You can follow me. Legit yan, ako yan, verified yan, okay? Just contact me, guys, if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching and joining me today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Have a nice day.